Western Chiropractor, and today I'm going to show you a great adjustment. We're just doing some myofascial massage on Vanessa, and we're just trying to relax her muscles inside her shoulders a bit, right inside the right shoulder, right, and the left shoulder. She gets a lot of muscle tension inside her neck. She also gets a lot of back pain and muscle tension inside her lower back also. Right? So this machine, right, actually has like almost golf balls on the bottom, which actually penetrate into the muscles and relax these muscles. Right? And it also feels real good. This is a commercial machine. It's not something that you can buy out in the store. Cool. You can go right back over there. Yeah.
I have to edit it.
So I'm just going to start out, stretch out our muscles a little bit, just a bit. And because this is a real adjustment, you're probably going to hear some oohs and some ahs and some oohs. Right? Good. Good. So I'm just going to peak this pelvis a little bit. Okay. Lower my table. I'm going to start just adjusting her hip joints. I already checked her before. Those hips are out of alignment. And I'm just going to adjust left hip joint inside here, just like that. Good. Right side as well. Level out her hips. Make sure she can walk nice and even, and also adjust the sacrum. Right, and the coccyx. She's a little tender, and the coccyx and the tendon. Right, then we're going to adjust the sacral area. Right inside here. Breathe in, and breathe all the way out. Good. Okay. Otra vez, breathe in, and out all the way. Good. Good. Breathe in real deep, Vanessa, and all the way out, and relax. Good. A little more. There we go. Good. Right in there. I'm just going to isolate this L4, L5, and adjust it twice, just to get a little more movement in there. Good, and that's real tender in there. Okay. Does it come on this side? This one. Okay, just relax your head right there. Wasn't too bad. Yeah, not too bad. There we go. All right, and just relax. Good. So sometimes adjusting Vanessa in her lower back, a little difficult because she really tightens up in her muscles. So I'm working too hard. And relax inside there. Okay. Oh, just pop. Okay. Okay. Perfect. That went really perfect. That was nice. Good movement inside there. Okay. That was good. Not too bad. Right. Aquí, un poquito más. Right there. No, no. Aquí. Good. Poquito, poquito. Boca arriba, por favor. Just a little bit of movement inside there. Good. Get it out la pierna un poquito. Good, just like this. Estirar la cadera un poquito. Just like that. Good. ¿Se siente el estiramiento? Yeah, good. Pero no tiene mucho dolor hoy. No, not too much. We'll see.
Atrás.
¿Cómo?
Atrás, left.
See?
Yeah, left side.
Get it out. Good, just like that. Okay, aquí también. Nice. Okay, get it out la pierna. Gracias. Just like that, poquito. ¿Puedes mover un poquito más para arriba? Okay. All right. Be cool with it is. Your favorite part?
Yeah.
Hmm? Good. Okay, lleva un poquito aquí. Gracias. Bueno. Lleva un poquito más. Gracias. Okay, and that's right there. Okay, let's relax completely. Good. Relax here and here. Just stretch a little. Poco más. Good. Déjala, por favor. Muy bien. Afuera. Otra vez. Y afuera. Good. Bueno, ya. Come. Let's come sit up. Muy bien. 3. There we go. Perfecto.